lot of projects and not enough time. So you can see here we got the BMW in the garage. I got a little work done on it, but we'll save that for a later video. First we need to get that Pontiac finished up, and in doing that we need to go out and put some new rotors on, some new pads, so that hopefully it'll start braking nice and smooth like it should. And hopefully that'll go pretty smooth. Those bolts on those calipers look pretty rusty, and I don't think the brakes have been touched for a very long time, but we'll go out and get started. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And once we get 1,000 subscribers, we have a very special project in mind that we'll do a reveal. So smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell. Let's get to work. Okay, I know it's gonna be hard to see, guys, but we got the T on the vacuum fixed, and I drove the car around a little bit and it's running great. Last thing we need to do here on this Pontiac is get the front brake rotors and pads changed out, because when you hit the brakes at highway speeds, the car shimmies quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that switched out here. It's starting to get cold, it's supposed to ice here tonight, so hopefully we get this done. Okay, one of the caliper bolts is stuck, so we're going to use a little bit of heat and warm up the bolt. Alright, finally got it out, guys. A little bit of heat, an extractor socket, and it's out. So now, okay. There's our new nice and shiny brake rotor. Trying to hurry because it's about to get dark. There's that. Alright. And I'm going to put some anti-seize on these bolts so we don't have to fight them again. Okay, so I've been driving the Pontiac for the last couple days since I got the front brakes done, and so far so good. Car runs great, and rides really good, and shifts good. So I'm very pleased with how this car came together. Now what's left is a final video montage, so enjoy.